and you're watching Beauty's Crown. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can remove moles permanently. Now this is the most requested video from you guys, that please tell us how to remove moles permanently. Though I don't have any mole on my body, so I was just like it will be very difficult for me to just found any solution for moles, because as I said, I don't have any mole on my body. So I was just like, how to treat this, how to do research on it. So fortunately, one of my friend having a mole on his face, so I was just like, I'm going to do experiment on you. So he was like, of course you can do that. So I just did one experiment and it worked out like a best thing. So today I'm going to share you this, that how you can remove your moles permanently. So without delaying, let's get started. For removing your moles permanently, it doesn't matter if it is having on your face or any part of your other body. This treatment is this is totally herbal and totally like a home remedy kind of thing, DIY kind of thing. So you can do it very easily, very simply, and this home remedy is 100% effective because I have tried it. So this is like totally good and you can rely on it. So let's get started. Let me show you what you have to take. First of all guys, what you have to do, take any oil. Like here I'm taking this coconut oil. You can take coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, or any oil which is available at your home. So here I'm taking this coconut oil. So firstly, for example, if you're having a mole on your cheek, so firstly you have to take little amount of oil, apply it on your mole like this, and just leave it for 5 minutes. And then what you have to do, this is the main thing actually, you have to take 1 piece of garlic. Now garlic is something which will gonna help you a lot in removing your moles. And firstly you have to use oil because oil will help you a lot in making that mole softer. So after applying oil for 5 minutes, what you have to do, take 1 piece of garlic, okay, like this, and you have to cut it in 2 pieces. Then what you have to do, apply it like this on your mole. Basically you have to apply juice of garlic. Just apply it like this and leave it like this for 1 to 2 hours, and after that wash your face with normal water. Guys, you have to do this 2 times a day, twice a day basically. You have to do 2 times a day. Firstly, apply any oil, coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, or any oil. After that for 5 minutes, and after that apply this garlic and leave it like this. And if you're doing it in the night, what you have to do, just apply this garlic and leave it for overnight. And beauties, in just 1 to 2 weeks, I must say, just 1 to 2 weeks, you will start seeing that your mole is starting squeezing, and it will be totally dried out and it will be shedded off. So this is the best thing which I did, and trust me, this is totally effective. Just go and try this, apply oil, and after that apply garlic. Garlic is the best thing. It will gonna remove your moles permanently. So beauty, just go and try this, and don't forget to comment the reviews and after doing this and everything in my comment section. I love you so much guys. Just please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I love you so much. Bye and take care.